Let me be honest with you. If I say you have to drive 5 kilometers from your home just to know what is your bank account balance, or have to wait long hours in queue just to transfer a small amount of money, then it must be frustrating. At least I will be. Until we had fintechs to do all those things. Hey everyone, welcome to FinTech Innovate. In this video, we will talk about the innovative and revolutionary topics of FinTech, thanks to which you do not need to drive 5 kilometers or wait long hours just to do small things in financial world, aka how FinTech has been changing our day-to-day lives without even our noticing it. And if you do not know what is FinTech and why it is such an important thing these days, just check out my previous video. So there are several topics about which we can talk about, like how fintech has changed the way of working of a bank, investment company, cryptocurrencies and blockchains, artificial intelligence, speedy and cost effective delivery, regulatory technology, customer service and satisfaction, lending and borrowing, alternatives options of finance, transparency, crowdfunding and many more. In fact, we can talk about these topics all day, but we do not have a whole day just to finish this video, right? So let's talk about some of the most important topics one by one. The first topic is bank in your pocket. Now these days you are capable of doing all of the things which you can do with your bank account in a physical bank with the device you are watching in this video. And if you still don't understand, I am talking about the internet banking. Now you can do whatever you want to do with your money with just one click on your laptop or mobile device. Investments made easy. Well, you must have seen in some finance movies that in stock market there is a ring floor and some of the persons are standing elevated to others and there is a shouting everywhere about stock names and prices. This is called floor trading, which happens before fintech was a thing. But now these days all of these stock market things happen on the internet. Buying, selling, futures, options, hedging, all of these happens with just one click in your computer. And not just stock trading, all other types of investments are also happen online. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. If you want to know more about these topics, just subscribe to this channel and I will try to cover various investment alternatives in this channel. Cryptocurrency and blockchains. Yes, you heard it right. Cryptos are part of fintech, and I don't think so cryptocurrencies require an introduction these days, unless you are living in a cave all these days and suddenly want to understand about fintech. Again, subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, aka AI, it is everywhere. Now these days, most of the mainstream websites has chatbots to answer your questions without human intervention. This is part of AI. And from fintech perspective, those days are not very far when AI will help us find the best possible way to earn, spend and invest money. Regulatory technology. Long story short, regulatory tech, aka RegTech, is that part of fintech which helps the regulators to regulate the various aspects of business. Like gone are those days when you have to go to income tax department, get the income tax form, fill it, sign it and submit it physically. No. All this happens electronically now these days. Crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is relatively a new concept in some part of the world, but it is an emerging concept. And I have to say, it is altogether a separate topic, which deserves a separate video. Stay tuned for that. More alternatives and options. And finally, fintech has not only optimized traditional financial products and services, but also invented many new things as well. Like before some times, nobody knows what is bitcoins and cryptocurrencies, what is crowdfunding, and nobody know what it will give us in future as well. And with this, I hope now you know why it is really important to keep up with the emerging technologies and stay up to date with fintech. And if you want to learn more about it, subscribe to my channel. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified about my new videos. Till then, keep learning.